Hey guys! So it's been really muggy out lately, so I decided to do a makeup look inspired with the rainy day weather. I already moisturized my face and everything, so we're just starting off with a white, kind of shimmery eyeshadow as a base. And I'm going to take this light baby blue and put it right over on top of it. This way it's going to make the blue stand out a little bit more. Yeah, I just kind of whacked my tripod, I'm sorry about that. Now I'm taking my fluffy brush and I'm going to be putting a light gray in the crease. I don't know about y'all, but I love it when it's raining. So the fact that it's been raining out here, I've been loving it so far. Unless I'm at work, that sucks. Now I'm actually taking a black shadow now and just dabbing it on the outer third of my eyelid. And I'm taking a bigger fluffy brush and just blending it all together. Now I'm taking the Maybelline gel pot of eyeliner. I'm lightly dipping my brush, my angled brush, into a little bit of water to get it nice and wet. And then I'm going to put it in the gel pot and do my wing liner that way. I found out that was actually the best trick I could have ever done. It took me a long time to figure that out. You'll notice in a lot of my videos, I only put my eyeliner to half of my upper lid, or 3/4 in. I never go completely in, just because I think it looks funny on me. I'm just putting a little bit of the excess liner about halfway in on my lower lash line below the waterline, and then just blending it out slightly with the other end of the brush. And I'm taking actually a gel liner, but it's in the form of a pencil. I got this one from Maybelline. It's called the Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil. And I like using that on my bottom waterline or in the inner corners. On top line, oh, there's a key. I actually top line my upper line with just a regular black pencil liner. And then I'm filling in my brows with the Brow Stylist Definer by L'Oreal Paris in the shade Blonde.